Hello and welcome to Inside Indiana Business. I'm Gary Dick. Health and wellness and the rising cost of health care are, of course, major issues facing individuals, companies, organizations in every corner of our state. Ascension St. Vincent Health believes its model for primary care clinics could be an answer for companies, schools, and organizations looking to limit health care spending. In just 2 years, Carmel Clay Schools has saved more than $11 million thanks to a partnership. All the services are at no cost to the employee. The savings are after the cost of operating the wellness center are considered as well. Joining me now with details are Ascension St. Vincent Health Wellness and Preventive Care Institute Medical Director Dr. Michael Busk. Also, Carmel Clay Schools Associate Superintendent Roger McMichael. And gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Gary.
And I know, Mike, I've talked to you about this concept before. In a nutshell, just give us the business model here. A clinic, a wellness center near site, located near site. What's the model all about?
We provide easy access for all the employees and their family to keep them healthy with high quality care. It's a one-stop shop with all the services there, from behavioral health, medical care, physical therapy, radiology at some of our centers, dietitian, exercise physiologist, all to keep you healthy and get to the root of the problem. We're preventing disease and then managing chronic disease. Thus, we focus on the outcomes, thus the lower costs fall in place. And more than anything else, it's a strong partnership with our companies and our schools working together and transparent in all our care.
I want to talk about the expanding footprint because it's going beyond Indiana in a moment. But Roger, Carmel Clay Schools, major school district, of course, in our state. I talked about those substantial savings. Talk about the partnership, which has been going on now for 7 or 8 years, I guess, and how this has benefited employees, staff, faculty, everyone involved.
Well, we wanted to have a hospital behind our operation. We feel that the employees that work in our center, it's important for them to be a part of a network of health care, and that's proven to be the case. And so as we have expanded our services, because usually when people think about a wellness center or clinic, you're thinking about physical health, but we're just as focused on mental health and social well-being and really financial well-being as well. So Ascension St. Vincent is able to provide all those services, and then these employees are all under one roof, so they are working together for the benefit of the patient.
Why is this, in your view, working? I mean, those numbers, $11 million in savings, substantial. Why is this, in your view, this concept working when others maybe are not?
Starts with the people, and we have the best people. I believe we have the best people in our wellness center of any place in the country, and I would credit Ascension St. Vincent for that. That's where they come from, and these folks all work together. But I think one of the factors that has made us really successful is we absolutely focus on outcomes. We're not focused on money. We're not oblivious to the money, but we know that if we can improve people's health, it'll also, the money will take care of itself.
Mike, talk about, because many others are interested in this as well, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. You put a clinic in Kokomo. You're going to expand up into Detroit.
Right.
The company globally looking at this, other states looking at this as well. Talk about the expanding nature of this model.
Well, it's expanding because of our work at Carmel Clay School and showing that outcomes. And we've had huge success opening our wellness center for Fiat Chrysler Automobile in Kokomo with a possibility of 22,000 covered lives, much larger facility. And it's been so successful there since 2018 that we're now building another center for the new plants that are going in Detroit. And so we're taking this, we can take this across the country, this model, and in many ways it's been time-tested, especially with our strong partnership with Carmel Clay Schools.
All right, an interesting model that is really gaining traction. In fact, I should mention an independent third party has rated this clinic at Carmel as I think the most efficient and effective clinic of its kind that they've seen in the country. So congratulations on that. We look forward to following the growth going forward. Dr. Michael Busk, also Roger McMichael from Carmel Clay Schools as well. Thank you both very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.